Okay, good.
Today is October 23rd. We're going to do a repairability test for the insured. It's a USAA claim. What's the customer's last name?
Parrish.
Parrish. Parrish is the customer. We see right here a scarred shingle from debris. So we're going to replace that shingle, or attempt to replace that shingle, and see if it's repairable or not. So first thing I'm going to do is identify where the shingle starts and ends and begins. It looks like it ends right here. Yeah, and so we'll do this one as well. This one's the one that I want to work on. It's already torn, so we can know that we're not going to tear it up any further. First thing we do is just kind of get it loose, gently get under here and get the shingle loose, the seal. Sorry, it's torn up. So I'm going to have to lift this shingle to get to the nails, and it's just tearing off in my hand. Whoever installed this roof over-nailed it. Yeah, this thing's just falling apart in our hands. All right. They're just tearing as we did this. I don't want to get too deep into it. Hand me that shingle. We'll go ahead and get this one back into place, but you can tell this one's, the repairability is non-existent. Thank you. Yeah, I got it. You just keep recording. There we go. Okay. So I've got to lift the shingles above it to get the nails in. You can already tell that it's beyond repair. Easier without my gloves. Well, this is a temporary. So you can see where I lifted the shingle above it to do the repair, damaged 2 in the process. So this roof is unrepairable.
Good.